Hi everyone, I am going to discuss one important topic. What is automation testing and why automation testing with Java and Selenium. So let's understand what is automation testing. Automation testing is the process of using specialized tools, scripts and software to execute test cases automatically, compare actual outcomes with expected results and report findings. Unlike manual testing, where a tester performs steps step by step, automation testing saves time, reduces human error, increases test coverage, and allows tests to be reused across multiple builds and environments. Common tools: Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, Cucumber, Rest Assured, Cypress, Playwright. Best suited for regression testing, repetitive test cases, performance testing, and large projects. Then why automation testing with Java and Selenium? Java is widely used and beginner friendly. Second thing, Java is one of the most popular programming languages, easy to learn and has a large developer community. It integrates well with Selenium and other automation frameworks. Second thing, why Selenium? Selenium is the most popular automation tool currently at the industry. It is open source, free and supports multiple browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, etc. Works with various operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux. Third thing, strong ecosystem with Java plus Selenium. Java works seamlessly with testing frameworks like TestNG, JUnit, Cucumber. Easy integration with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitHub, Maven, Docker. Supports page object model, that is POM, and other design patterns for scalable automation. In fourth, high demand in industry. Most QA automation jobs require Java plus Selenium knowledge. It's widely used in enterprise level projects across domains. Reusable and maintainable code. Java's object-oriented features help in building modular, reusable and maintainable test frameworks. So in short, Java plus Selenium is equal to powerful industry standard automation combo. So that's why we will learn or we must learn Java plus Selenium automation. Thank you so much guys.